Welcome to Taiwan community. The following is a tutorial on how to create API key on Binance. Step 1. Log into your Binance account and click Profile, then API Management. Step 2. Click Create API. Please note that before creating an API key, you need to enable two-factor authentication on your account and make a deposit of any amount to activate your account. Step 3. Select your preferred API key type. Step 4. Select Authentication app and click Enable. Step 5. Enter a label or name for your API key. Step 6. Click Get Code, then enter email verification code. You can check it in your Gmail and click Submit. Step 7. Verify your request with two FA devices. Copy the code and check it in your Authenticator app. Step 8. Paste the Authenticator app code you have received in the Authenticator. Then click Submit, and your API key is now created. This is Taiwan Blockchain Community. Welcome to subscribe and join us.